Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arid Mutation in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. According to the Safari Harvest achievement, we need Arid Mutated plants. And as you can see, I have already completed harvesting 25 Arid Mutated plants. And if you want to get the Arid Mutation guys, you need to have Giraffe on your garden. And to have Giraffe, you need to buy the Safari egg. And you will have 16% possibility or chance to get Giraffe. Okay, and I'm going to show you the Giraffe ability. Okay, basically it can give you the Arid Mutation. Okay, so you need to have this pad on your garden if you want to get the Arid Mutation. And yeah, that's so simple actually. And you just need to buy the Safari egg as many as you can. Then you will have more chance to get Giraffe. Okay guys, and that's all about getting the Arid Mutation in Grow Garden game of Roblox Safari update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!